Have you ever wondered, hey, what does it take to set up one of those testing videos that the big YouTubers do? Of course, in my case, Shark, because he's the one I set up videos for, but I'm sure the people who do it for eWaystream or Pressman Plays do the exact same thing. So in my case, I usually have a world where I have everything on, just random builds that I can use for whatever, then just find yourself a blank spot, then just come up with the video idea you want to set up for. In my case, it'll be a testing video, then start racking your brain, and come up with the most stupid stuff you can think of, but actually kind of makes sense, you know? Like, for example, we have this thing here. It's a nether portal inside of a nether portal. We gotta figure out, hey, what happens if I light the middle here? Well, this. But I'm sure a lot of us would want this to happen. So, hey, we gotta figure out a way to do that. And other than using commands, it's not really possible, but hey, we can do that. So all I'm doing is using Axiom. First setting up the regular portal, just like this. Then setting the axis to either the center X value. As you can see, it changes. And there we go. We have something really cool. Now I select this and just copy it. Head over to File and save the blueprint. Now that's ready for use whenever I need it. And then you just continue on. Here's another idea. So if we place an iron golem here and the snow golem there, well, we gotta figure out which one activates first. And you know, since I'm the one setting this up, I have to test it, and we'll see that the snow golem goes first. Now just get rid of the snow golem and place it back. Now we know that. And of course, we can use this again, just setting up the snow golem on the floor, the iron golem like this. And if we try it again, we can see that the snow golem has priority. I do not have a clue why that is, but hey, that's what we're doing this for, figuring things out. And to be fair, when I'm thinking about it, I don't even know if you can make an iron golem like this. Oh, you can. Nice. And it doesn't hurt to set up command blocks to kill the snow golems and iron golems. And if you don't want to kill every single iron golem or snow golem in the world, just do distance, dot, dot, and then let's just do 20. I don't know why you have to do the dot, dot, but hey, that's how it works. Of course, the 20 is just how many blocks away, so 50 blocks also works. And there we go. Now just control middle click this so you get the NBT data of the command blocks. Place them underground somewhere so they're hidden, and place a button above it. There we go. And on the topic of already summoning in things weirdly, you can try things like this and see that doesn't work, and this one, you know, just to test a couple different things. And we can go over to the wither and just for safety cover everything in obsidian. Set up a command block to kill the wither and a button on it. Just put it in the ground so it's not that much in the way. Now let's test this. So, I assume probably the bottom one is going to get summoned. No, I was wrong. Cool information. Good to know. Genuinely wasn't expecting that. And since we're already summoning in withers, let's try one like this. And an upside down one, because why not? And mostly for funsies, I'm not even testing these myself. I'm just setting them up, because that's fun. If they don't work, they don't work. If they do work, well, that's cool. So most of the time, even I don't know if things are gonna work. To be fair, I should probably be testing them, but hey, that's what makes for a good video. Can't have everything working, you know? And one final one I wanna test is which one of these withers would be spawned in, placing in the middle. Let's find out. Ooh, it's the right one. Cool. And let's just kill it. And it doesn't hurt moving the command block here as well, because Shark is probably lazy. Using Axiom, I can also hold left alt to scroll through my inventory, so I have so many hotbars of different things. I do forget I have it sometimes, so I just, you know, add new stuff, but it's pretty useful a lot of the time. Next up, I was thinking, what about sheep? So let's get an anvil. Let's name the sheep Dinnerbone. Place them down like this, and let's see what happens. Breed those, and what happens when the baby pops out? Well, it's a normal baby. Interesting. And we can extend that to Jeb. Given the first one, I know this one isn't gonna work either, but it doesn't hurt to try. Because we're already on the Jeb one, we spawn in another one, get ourselves an item frame that's invisible, because that looks better. Then summon in the shears, because, you know, gotta test what happens when you share this one. Well, normal wool. Unfortunately, there's no rainbow wool in Minecraft. What I also like to do sometimes is use this, create a display entity. We go to the text display here, and we type out what I want. So what I'll do for this one is, will the baby be? I move that over here, create a new one, and I do upside down. I move that under. Doesn't have to be perfect, just close enough. Then I rotate it upside down, move it into place, and perfect. Is it hard to read? Probably. And then I can use the rotation above my hotbar to check how close it is. So 180, perfect. And well, maybe it won't be that easy to read, but hey, it's funnier. And it'll make him struggle, which is funny. This one will just be Violet Rainbow. Move that into somewhat of a nice location. For this one, Rainbow Wool, question mark, move that into a location I want. A good tip is not having it right above so it's in the way, which just kind of, you know, maybe a little forward so you can walk past it and it's not obnoxiously on your screen. And after half an hour more of just building random stuff, we're probably done. And all you need to do is just make sure it's in an orderly line. You can even space it out more than this or put it closer. I wouldn't recommend that though. And you basically have a full-on video you can do. By making it like this, it looks nice and it's easy to follow. People have something to look forward to when they're watching the video, and it also makes your job easier. And of course, if you're not satisfied with the length of the video when you're at here, well, you can just expand it. And yeah, that's all it takes to set up a video for big YouTuber men. The video will probably be up on Shark's channel in like a month or so. I don't know. It depends if he actually films it or not. I just set it up for fun. And yeah, that's all. I don't know why I did this. I just felt like it. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Okay, bye.